Welcome back to our video series to help you create a high converting Shopify store with PageFly. In today's video, you'll learn about margin and padding. To sum it up briefly, your margin is the space outside of your element that pushes the other elements around it further away when increased, and your padding is the space on the inside of the border of your element that, when increased, pushes the element itself further in. So to demonstrate here, we have an image and a heading element. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on the image, come over to the styling tab, and then under padding and margin, I'm going to go to margin and I will increase the margin on the bottom by 30 pixels. So we can see the space between the image and the heading element has been increased, pushing the heading element further away. Now if I select the image and choose to increase the padding on all sides, we can see that the image element itself is pushed further inwards. So now we can get rid of this and choose a new template. Let's go for the Father's Day template and choose next and yes. So here we are in the Father's Day template, and if you use a template and you want to adjust any of the parameters, it works in exactly the same way. So we can click on the image, head to styling, and increase the padding on all sides. And you can do this for any element. You can also change your margin and padding from mobile view to create the optimal mobile experience for your visitors. When you're done adjusting your parameters of margin and padding, go ahead and click Publish, and then Live View to view the page in real time. And then when viewing your page live, we can see that the margin, or the padding rather, has been added to this element. And we can also right click on it and go to Inspect. And we can see all the specific attributes that have been added to the element. So those are the basics of margin and padding and how you can use them to optimize the design of your page. Don't forget you can reach us on our 24/7 support line within the PageFly dashboard.